Hey, I'm Ernest with UpFix. If you drive a Ford Explorer, Ranger, or Mercury Mountaineer and your dashboard lights are out, gauges are dead, or the odometer stopped rolling, don't worry. These are some of the most common issues on the 90s and early 2000 Ford trucks and SUVs. Today I'll show you why it happens and how we fix it. Here on the screen you can see all the different makes and models and the years that these were affected. Here are the most common symptoms. Background lights going out. This cluster in particular uses the T10 bulbs. Gauges sticking or not working at all. Speedometer, tachometer, fuel, battery, temp, or the oil pressure gauge. We repair both versions with or without tachometer. This instrument panel cluster in particular has the tachometer. Intermittent or complete power loss. Odometer not rolling. Shorting out or blown fuse, often caused by a failing varistor inside. Side note, the Sport Trac models came with the white gauge face, a unique look that carried over to the later versions. Now, if you were to look on the back of this instrument panel cluster, you would find like a paper-like substance. This is the paper circuit board. And then you actually have the hard PCB behind the speedometer and tachometer. Over time, heat and vibration cause poor connections, cracked solder joints, and failing varistors that can lead to shorts or power dropouts. In some cases, the small anti-slosh module that's removable for the fuel gauge specifically also fails, causing erratic fuel readings. Before sending it in, check your fuses and cluster connection for corrosion. It's common to find corrosion on some of these older models, so just make sure to check that. Check your dimmer switch to make sure it's not all the way down if your backlights aren't working, and verify that power and ground are reaching the connector. Replacing these older Ford or Mercury clusters can be expensive and may not match your mileage or features. Let alone the older ones may have issues as well. So ideally you'd want to repair your original cluster because it's faster, cheaper, and keeps everything synced to your vehicle. We use upgraded components to replace the backlighting, make sure the gauges are working properly, and restore functionality if there's any power issues. It's backed by a 1-year warranty, but you can get an additional 2, 3, or even a 5-year warranty. Turnaround time is 3 to 5 business days. So don't let a dead cluster keep you in the dark. Visit UpFix.com today, send in your Ford or Mercury cluster, and we'll restore your lighting, gauges, and power functionality to like new. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, hit the like and subscribe button for more tips. Drop your questions in the comments. We'll see you next time.